Dear students, welcome back in Lesson 2 minute series of polity. In this lecture, I am going to cover different sources of Indian Constitution. From your exam point of view, this is very important as you will be seeing at least one question from this section. So here we'll start. As we know, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has said that Constitution of India has made by ransacking different sources of constitution. The first and most important source of constitution is Government of India Act 1935. It is blueprint for our constitution as many things has been taken from here. Important things should be remembered here. Federal system, Office of Governor and emergency power we have taken from Government of India Act 1935. The next source is Constitution of Britain. From here we have taken lawmaking procedure, rule of law, single citizenship, bicameral parliamentary system and office of CAG. The next source is Constitution of USA. From USA, we have taken independence of judiciary, judicial review, fundamental rights, power to center, and Supreme Court's advisory jurisdiction. The next source is Constitution of Canada. From here, we have taken federation with strong center, and here residuary powers to the centers. The next is Supreme Court's advisory jurisdiction also we have taken from Canada. The next source is Constitution of Ireland. From Ireland we have taken directive principle of state policy, method of presidential election and nomination of members of Rajya Sabha by President. So you should link the point with each other, like here DPSP by Ireland. Then you should be remembering fundamental right by USA, fundamental duties by USSR. So like that you should link the points and you can make study easy. The next source is Constitution of Germany. From Germany we have taken suspension of fundamental rights, and we know we have taken fundamental rights from USA, and from Germany it is suspension. The next is Constitution of Australia. The idea of concurrent list we have taken from here. Then trade and commerce provision, and we know the three lists, that is center list, state list and concurrent list, has mentioned is Schedule 7. Next is Constitution of South Africa. From here we have taken amendment with 2/3 majority in parliament, election of members of Rajya Sabha on the basis of proportional representation. The next source is Constitution of France. From here we have taken republic system, principle of liberty, equality and fraternity. This is the basic of French Revolution. So we should be easily remembering these things. The next source is Constitution of USSR. From here we have taken fundamental duties, ideals of justice in preambles. So like that we have covered sources of constitution.